Today we are going to discuss the IPv4 addresses. IP address is necessary to identify a device in the internet because within the network or intranet we can identify a device or machine on the basis of MAC address. But we need an IP address when we are identifying a device or sending a packet to the device or contacting or establishing connection between external device or internet device. We need an IP address. Without an IP address we cannot identify any devices in the internet. So let us see the IPv4 addresses. There are 5 class of IPv4 addresses: class A, class B, class D and class E. At present we are not following class A, class B, class C IP addresses because due to the scarcity of IP addresses we are following the classless IP addresses by dividing these IP addresses. Okay, by dividing these networks into subnets. Okay, let us see the range of class A IP addresses. It is from 0.0.0 to 127.255.255.255, and subnet mask will be the 255.0.0.0. In class A, the first byte will be preserved, it will be never changed, and the last 3 bytes will be changed. And in class B, it will be first 2 bytes will be remain unchanged. As we can see, the subnet mask, it is having 255.255.0.0. So first 2 bytes will be remain same, and last 2 bytes will be variable. And in class C, the first 3 bytes will be the constant and last 1 byte only can be changed. So at present we are not following this class A, B, C type of IP addresses. We are following the classless IP addresses due to the scarcity of IP addresses. Okay, and class D IP addresses are used for the routing purpose only, and class E IP addresses are for R&D purpose. And let us see some private IPs which are used within the network or intranet. Okay, when we are connecting within a network, the devices will have the IP address. This IP address will be have the range either from class A, class B, class C. These are the private IPs. These are the range of private IPs in every class from class A, class B and class C. So whenever we are when see our IP address within the network, we can see it as in this range. Okay, and when we are connecting to the internet, our IP address get changed by routing or NATing to the any public IP address as mentioned above. Okay, so private IP address in class A are 10.0.0.0 to 10.255.255.255, and class B will be 172.16.0.0 to 172.31.255.255, and in class C 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. And subnet mask will be remain same for class A as I've mentioned above. It will be 255.0.0.0 for class A, and class B it will be 255.255.0.0, and class C it will be 255.255. Actually it will change. Okay, let us see. And in special IP addresses, there are some IP addresses which are used for special services or the special purpose which are not listed in these IP addresses. Okay, so special IP addresses are to communicate within the network. We will use 0.0.0 to 0.0.0.8. These are the reserved for the to communicate within the network only. And loopback IP addresses are 127.0.0. to 127.0.0.8. And APIPA IP addresses. These are the IP addresses which are when they will be assigned automatically when DSCP server is not available. When we enable the DSCP settings, DSCP configuration in the device, and DSCP due to some reason DSCP server or it is not possible to provide the IP address due to DSCP, then this IPpa IP address will be automatically enabled. So it will be in range of 169.254.0.1 to 169.254.255.254. These are the IP address when DSCP server is not available or DSCP server is failed to provide a dynamic IP address, then this IP address will be enabled, will be configured automatically when we enable the DHCP configuration in our device. And link local addresses are 169.254.0.02, 169.254.0.0.16. So that's all about IPv4 addresses. Thank you guys.